I've noticed that the build that we're doing right now, the 59 Jaguar, is really, I don't know, like causing, I guess, a big conversation, which isn't a bad thing, but there seems to be a lot of controversy, whether it's ugly, whether it's nice, whatever, like, and that's totally fine, and you're allowed to feel whatever you want to feel. But I just noticed that, like, I don't know, there's a lot of hateful comments coming in and like people arguing back and forth, and it's sort of taking over, and it's just like, to me, it's unnecessary. And I'm just having a hard time understanding why. And maybe some of you can help me understand, but I'm just trying to like picture myself getting offended and, you know, getting really hateful watching like somebody else, how they film or run a business. And for me to like step on somebody else's page and like call them names, criticize them, tell them their work is shit, like, I don't know, like, I'm not there, and I can't picture myself ever getting to the point where excuse me, I would have to do that to like make myself feel better about my filming. So like, that's why I'm just having a hard time like figuring out like what is it like that is so offensive to people that, you know, like, that are claiming that they know how to do it better or we're doing it wrong. You can do it any way you want to, and we can do it the way we want to, and we should still be able to like show respect. You know, like, there's so many people that are, you know, acting like they know best or they know more. And if you do, why are you watching our videos? Like, if you already know how to do what we're doing, why are you watching? And if you think you know how to do it better or whatever, like, where are your videos? Like, why aren't you showing your process? And that's sort of where it's at. Like, if you're gonna jump on and be so hateful and to argue with people and, you know, go back and forth, why? Like, why? I don't get it. I really don't get it, because like, it really shouldn't, you know, light people up the way that it is. And we've never portrayed or said like, this is the only way to do this process. No, not at all. Like, I'm pretty sure Chad has always said, take what you like and throw away what you don't like. You know, and that's how life goes. You see something that you like, and, you know, you pursue it, or you see something you don't like and you make sure you stay away from it, if you know what I'm saying. Like, and it can be that simple if you want it to be. You know, and that's how things evolve. Like, that's how art evolves, that's how fashion evolves, that's how cars evolve. Like, you know, you see something, you take what you like, you adapt it, you make it your own, and that's like, it's called evolution. It's how things evolve. And, you know, so it's like, we can only show you our process. We can't show and make videos on the way that you do things, because we only know how we do things. It's our process, you know. And, you know, for people to get offended with how Chad showed how he grinds the welds, like, you know, there's other discs that you should be using. Well, guess what? Like, he's only showing what has worked for him. And like, for people to like get fired up to, you know, it's really not worth it. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, so if you're one of those people that are getting really worked up and like ruining your day after watching a video because how dare he not do it the way that you do it, like, I just like chill and like, you know, scroll past it, do whatever you gotta do. But like, I don't know, for me, if I were to like critique somebody else's the way that they film, and like telling them how awful they are and that they should throw their camera outside and smash it because it's not the way that I do it, like, I'm just going to I don't know, to me, I would be embarrassing myself if I did that, because how they film, what they film is really none of my concern. It doesn't affect me. It doesn't change my life at all. So like, who cares? You know, like, who cares? And again, I don't have time to critique other people because I'm busy working, like, and that's sort of where I'm at. Like, people that are commenting, like, because Chad hasn't cut the door open yet, but he's done some body work, like, that cut is literally one zip cut and 10 seconds. And you know what I mean? Like, it really has no effect on the body work that we're doing. Anyway, I'm gonna stop ranting. I'm just trying to understand, and I can't seem to, because I just can't picture myself in that state to publicly critique and bash and all that stuff. So I just want to encourage everybody to show respect. The internet has really brought out, you know, the hate in people, I guess, and it's sad, but I just want to, you know, encourage people, if you don't like something, just scroll on by. Like, you don't have to embarrass yourself, because we're going to keep doing what we're doing. And it's only making you look insecure, in my opinion, because if you were confident in what you were doing, you shouldn't care how somebody else does something, I guess. Anyways, sorry for ranting, and thanks for watching, and I just hope everybody stays positive, stays respectful, and again, take what you like from these videos and throw away what you don't. And yeah, anyway, cheers.